Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Risal Ar-Rahman, number 1248, 18 December 2025. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, Allah will inflict punishment throughout the universe. My word will come true. Those who follow the Antichrist, Ad-Dajjal, try to extinguish my light with their words. Can you stop even a single piece of my point in the universe? Can you stop the disaster that I sent?